Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can see the memory limit statistics for your hosting plans in SiteGround. And this is helpful to see the web space, for example, that you're using, or the inodes, program executions, and also the CPU seconds. So if you want to see how much space you have left on your hosting plan, then this is the tutorial for you. So first thing you need to do, you have to log in into your SiteGround dashboard. As you can see, I have also done that over here. Then you have to go to the menu and click on services on this tab right here. You see you have two options. Well, accept all the cookies. You see you have two options. You have the hosting and also the domains. By default it's set to hosting. Over here you can see I have three different hosting plans that I have hosted at my SiteGround account. But in your case it also might be one or two. It depends on how much hosting plans you have purchased. So let's say, for example, I want to see the statistics of this hosting plan. Only thing I have to do is click on manage, and now you see this screen is loaded. Over here you can see all the websites that are connected to this hosting plan, and over here you can also see the statistics tab. So next thing you need to do is click on this, and now you see that all the information will be displayed on your screen. Over here you have the web space. You see that I have 20 gigabytes, and at this point I have only used 2.82, so I have 70.80 gigabytes left. Over here you can see the inodes, 400,000 are available. This is the amount that I have used. You can see the program executions. You can select a day, you can view by hour or by day, and below that you have the CPU seconds, and you can also filter it by hour or by day, and you can select the day. So that is all the information that you will need to see the space you have left on your hosting. So to summarize it one more time, log in into your SiteGround account, go to the Services tab, select the Hosting tab, then click on the hosting plan that you want to analyze. Once you have that selected, then click on the Statistics tab, and then you will see this screen over here. So I hope this video was helpful. If that's the case, make sure to smash a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate it. Also hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. And with that being said, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you back again in the next video.